Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today's video is sponsored by Gadget Club, and they actually sent out a box right here for me to unbox here on the channel. I have no idea what's inside of this box right here, so we're gonna be surprised together here in this video. Now, if you are not familiar with what Gadget Club is, it's basically a subscription box. So you can sign up for like a month to month, maybe every 3 months, 6 months, or even every 12 months. So basically, you can pay a full year or you can pay it month to month, and they will send you out a mystery box just like this every single month. You're not gonna know what's inside. It's gonna have 3 cool gadgets inside. It can be anything from like a smartphone to a drone to a, I don't know, smart home accessories, Bluetooth accessories. So, like I said, I don't know what's in this box right here. I've been waiting till I film this video so we can be surprised together. As you can see, it doesn't tell me what it is. I mean, the box is completely blank, and it's a little bit light, so not really sure what's inside, but let's go ahead and get surprised together. Let's see what's inside. Let's see, I'll go ahead and open it this way towards the camera. Here we go. I don't know if I wanna look. I'm gonna let you guys look first. There we go. Okay, hold up. We got some, I don't know what this is. Okay, let me throw that to the side and, oh, whoa, okay. Hold up. Let me look. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like inside. Look at that. And it looks like we got a drone. Whoa, hold up. All right, so this is a KY905 foldable mini drone. Look at that. So this box was cool enough to have a drone inside. Now, I'm not really sure how good the drone is or not, but it looks pretty cool. It's a mini drone. It comes with a controller, a holder for your phone, so you can be able to see, you know, whatever you're recording if you do decide to record. 360-degree flip, phone operating for gyro, HD camera, so it does come with the camera, Wi-Fi transmission. All right, so pretty cool. We got a drone in this box. Let's see what else we got in here. Let's see, what is this? Game Box Mini. I guess it's like a mini old school Game Boy type thing. Look at that. I don't know what that is, but hey, I'll try it out. This is old school. This reminds me of my childhood right here. All right, let's see what else we got in here. All right, we got one more thing. All right, let's see. I wouldn't need that. Let me go ahead and open this. So it's like a little bag right here. Let me see if I can open this. Kind of struggling a little bit. All right, here we go. Moment of truth. Moment of truth. What is this? Okay, I see a cloth. Let's see. Let's get. Oh, okay. It's a flashlight. It's like a little tactical flashlight. How do I even turn this on? Let's see. Do you twist? Okay, hold up. I lied. This is not a flashlight. It's actually a mini telescope. Look at that. So this basically twists right here, so you can zoom in and zoom out. So, oh, okay, yeah, that's actually pretty cool. Now, I wouldn't necessarily, you know, call this tech. So what I think they do is they put one, you know, piece of expensive tech in here, one really cool piece, and then just, you know, kind of 2 little side things to go with it that, you know, like this, I can probably gift to one of my kids or something like that. And this might actually come in handy. This is pretty cool. It's a little telescope, like I'm a pirate or something. Arr! But yeah, so that's pretty cool. These are my 3 gifts that were in this box, and this can be something that you can get, you know, every single month. Now, I'm not gonna say, you know, it's gonna be a drone every single month. You know, the next month could possibly be a smartphone or a really cool smart home piece of tech, or like I said, Bluetooth accessories, or just anything cool like that. And like I said, the box isn't too big. It's for 3 gadgets every single month. Now, the subscription plans do start off at $4.95 if you plan to do a month-to-month basis type thing, and then it goes to a 3-month subscription. You can either pay it in full or pay $47.95 a month. Then you got a 6-month subscription where you can do $44.95 a month, and then a 12-month subscription where you can do a $39.95 a month. So if you want to get, you know, the most out of your money, if you want to get the best deal, I would definitely go for that 12 months because it is cheaper each month. And then every month you're gonna be surprised with a, you know, a couple of cool pieces of gadgets like you see right here. I'm really excited to try out this drone. I know it's probably not the most high-end drone or anything like that, but hey, I mean, it's a drone, something I can have fun with. Got the telescope and then this little Game Boy thing right here. So huge thanks to Gadget Club for sponsoring this video. If you are interested in any of the plans they have going on, maybe you want to pick up one of these mystery boxes for yourself and get surprised and, you know, see what you have inside. I'll have a link down in the description below so you can go and sign up. And if you do, let me know down in the comment sections if you did. Let me know what type of things you are excited to receive, possibly in these mystery boxes right here. Leave a comment down below. Thank you all so very much for watching. If you did like this video, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure you hit that bell so you don't miss out on any future videos to come. It'll notify you every time I post a video right away. So make sure you hit that bell. Thank you all so very much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.